Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to turn your website into a money-making machine with Amazon products? In this video, I will show you how to sell Amazon products directly on your website, step by step, the right way for 2025. Whether you are a blogger, content creator, or just getting started with affiliate marketing, this is for you. First of all, you need to join the Amazon associated associated program. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Just use your Amazon account to sign up. Fill out your website information and wait for approval. Once you are in, you can start earning commissions by linking to products. Now that you are in, pick products that make sense for your niche. If you run a fitness blog, promote gym gear, tech site, go for laptops, microphones, or gaming products. Stick to things your audience actually wants. It builds trust and improves your conversion rates. Once you find a product, use the Amazon site stripe at the top of the page to generate your affiliate link. Copy the short link and you are ready to place it on your site. Here are 3 easy ways to add Amazon products to your site. In your blog post, hyperlink relevant words with your affiliate link. Then add image plus text links. Use the site stripe, image and text code to embed it directly. Use affiliate plugins for WordPress tools like WP, Lasso, or Trusty Affiliates make it easier to manage its links. For that, go to WordPress, and plugins, search AWP like this. Make it easier to manage links, create comparison tables, and update prices automatically. Now create content designed to convert. Think top 5 headphones under $100 when I use to record my YouTube videos. Best gifts for travelers in 2025. Make sure your content is helpful, honest, and naturally includes your Amazon links. Super important, you need to follow Amazon's rules. Add a clear affiliate disclosure at the top of your points. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. No emailing affiliate links or using them in paid ads. Don't mileage. Don't mislead users or manipulate clicks. Once links are live, track how they perform. Amazon shows clicks, conversions rates, and earnings in your dashboard. Test different placements, images, and call to action to improve results. In 2025, here's how you stay ahead. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to help write product roadmaps, roundups faster. Add video reviews to boost trust. Create bundles, group related products in one post. Build a email list even if you can't email affiliate links. You can bring people back to your site. And that's it. Now you know how to start selling Amazon products right on your website in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your blog niche in the comments. I would love to see what you are working on. And thanks for watching.